Hello. Hello. Guess what I just got? I just got this from. It came in the post. As you can see. I'm guessing it's probably my Element Search Plus Win Rasta foot bag. So today I'm gonna unbox it with a knife. Yeah. So here he goes. I'm so excited. Haha. Yes, it is. Yeah. Oh no! Don't show my address. Do it. Okay. Oh yeah. Yes, blood. Almost worth $7.50. Wait. Focus. Focus. No, focus on this, not me. I'll just take my word for it. Yay! Awesome. Beep, beep, beep. Made in Guatemala. It's got the element thing on it, and then this. Oh, this, and then the thing. Yay! Take this thingy off. Take the sticker off. So, I'm gonna get something else in a few days' time. About a week-ish, probably. Get some risers. This is the first thing I ordered. This is completely free. If you don't know what this is already, I'll put a link down below. Yeah. That's so cool. And I got a little bag to put some OBL in. If you know what OBL is, PM me. So cool. As you can see, it's a Rasta foot bag. I saw this and I was just like, wow, so cool. So it's 1,350, I think. Yeah, 1,350 for this and 1,000 for risers. So cool. Oh, I've got some bad news. Today I made an awesome chicken pasta bake, and I left it at school. You probably don't care. Why am I carving Lego? Look at that. Look at that finish it gives. If you carve the Lego. Carving Lego with a steak knife. You can carve it into something more interesting. Awesome. Yes. Do you know what this is? Stabbed it a few times. Yes, so Rasta foot bag. Label. Empty box. Receipt. Ship date 5th of the 3rd. Oh wow. That didn't take long to ship. And it's now the don't know what date. Oh. Basically it's Tuesday, so whether like the Tuesday after the 5th. It's that date. USPS first class mail, search plus win. Ship to Sam Win. Ship date. Thank you for your order, please. Wow! well, that's not really that special, but please email us with a picture of you with your reward and receive 30 free rewards points. Check that out. And then it'll probably that'll probably be on the recent winners page or something in a few days, maybe, if I can be bumhole. Or I might just screenshot this right now. I don't know, what should I do to... Yeah, something like... Let's move it around a bit so I can choose where I want to screenshot. That is going to be it. Look out for that. Recent winners page. Random code. Yeah. I'm just rambling on now. Like the last... I'm just excited because I got this for free. So cool. It's just like... I know soon I will upload a video of me going with it. Like, doing actually what you're supposed to do with your... Like, you hit it off the side of your foot. And then... Oops. And then you, like, go to the other foot. I'm doing it right now because I'm amazing at foot bag. It's called hacky sack, I think. Yeah, rambling. Box. Oh, don't want to show you my address or anything. Well, I do, but that's not really that much of a good idea. That. Just quickly turn the light off. Mini Queef 00 HTA. No, RTA. Sorry, out of focus. Miami Queef. Mammy Queef. There we go. Something shipped to. Oh! And there's an Amazon box up there. I'm going to tell you what was in there because it's a very deep secret. Yeah. Let's look out the window. Orange juice. Yummy orange. Whoa, cool clothes. It's a van coming. Right, I think I'm gonna stop. Bye bye.